There's always a lot of things happening in the veterinary world. This cat today, they want to get it fixed, and that's what we're going to do. My name is Chris Grotegut. I am a veterinarian in Hereford, Texas. I feel better though. Yeah, we'll send him home this evening. That work? Okay. We're a small shop, southwest of Amarillo, Texas. We're the self-proclaimed cattle feeding capital of the world. I don't know if that's true or not. We love the wide open spaces. We run a family farm and ranching operation. Tierra de Esperanza means land of hope. Our deal was hope to make a living.
When people think of this area, they think vast expanses of dry land. But the other thing this place is known for are the playa wetlands. Tens of millions of waterfowl and other birds that migrate across the United States are 100% reliant on these playas. They are rain-fed wetlands that supply the majority recharge to the Ogallala Aquifer, which in turn is the majority of our agricultural water.
Across the Great Plains, we're extracting more than we're putting back in.
The majority of wells in the Panhandle are declining. That data is publicly available.
The water level is 113.85 feet.
The general trend in the region is down, 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 down. Without water, you don't have a community, you don't have a civilization. It's that simple. We're probably okay on our protein intake. So we got really interested in playa lakes. We really got interested in grasslands. We look at those. We found out that there's a really good opportunity here to become grass farmers and increase our biological diversity and still have water available for our family, our livestock, and some of our crops. In 2010, we started on putting these center pivots that we irrigate with in grass, and we liked it enough, we just kept doing it. Removed a lot of our pivots off of our land, so we reduced the amount of acres that we're actually irrigating. We continued to add grass over the years, and at this time we're about 75% in grass, and we try to have cover on all the ground at all times.
Dr. Grotegut, he's got a really good system. You can actually produce off the land. It's not about getting rid of agricultural production or leaving or not taking any water at all, but it's about finding that balance. Dr. Grotegut's land has really started to respond to the work he's already done.
Windy day here on the plains, isn't it?
It's always a windy day on the plains.
Getting these dry cycles in the Playa Basin coming in. Look at these cracks. Imagine how much water will flow through that whenever it starts raining again. If the Playa Lake has gone through a good dry cycle, it improves our chances of catching some recharged water. You can really absorb that water and goes in the cracks. Look at those roots going all the way down. You can take in a lot of water in a very short period of time heading toward the water table. We're basically higher than we were 10 years ago on our Ogallala level, which is a big deal considering the region on average probably declines a foot a year. So it's really about keeping the land home for people.
While he's kind of a lone voice right now, is not the only voice. People want to do what's best for the land and what's best for their families, and so we hope that that momentum continues.
Bye, bye. Whoa. Yeah, you're good. I have two sons. They're 14 years old. Joseph, put it now.
I know.
We need to balance our natural resources so we can be here. The next generation is going to need a drink also. We're very, very lucky to get to be here.